Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here with a new Facebook Live that I plan to do every week. Now I will tell you, when I woke up this morning and thought, hey, I should try this, I plan to go live at 2 o'clock on Tuesday afternoons, and then life happens. And as you know, I just got back from the Alaskan incentive trip with Stampin' Up yesterday, and I want to thank you because it was a really good time. I went with both my kids and my son's wife. So the four of us went and did the cruise. We had a really good time, and I appreciate your support, and I hope you know that. So anyway, my plan is, because there's so much happening all the time at Stampin' Up, and they make most of their announcements on Tuesdays, that I thought, you know what, I could go live on Tuesdays and bring you whatever is happening with my life in Stampin' Up and what's happening in Stampin' Up's business. So that's how this is coming to be. Now I'm trying to come up with a fun name. If you have any recommendations, let me know. At this point, I'm thinking DDStamps Weekly Stampin' Scoop, but I don't know yet. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyway, there's lots for me to show and share with you. I've got all kinds of stuff, but let me show you a couple things before we get started. I do want to show you on the incentive cruise, we got these water bottles from Stampin' Up, and these were blank. And then we did a scavenger hunt, but this was one of the gifts. We did a scavenger hunt and got all these stickers for our water bottles, and they all represented a port or what we were doing. And it was fun to go around the ship and meet up with the leadership team. And so we met at each spot, and we kind of learned our way around the ship. We met with one of the leadership team members, so that was kind of fun. And then they gave us these great little magnets, which we decorated our doors with on the cruise ship. One of them's missing. I don't know. I think somebody took it. But anyway, they represented our ports also. And then this magnet. And then I also had this Alaska cruise magnet. So that was fun to decorate our doors. I kind of split them up and decorated both kids' doors. All right. So anyway, I am going to keep my camera that way. I'm going to show you a couple things I got this week in the mail. I've got a lot to share because, of course, I was gone on the 1st, and now it's the 9th. So lots to share. This little card here, I love this card. It came from my friend Tina, and she used that great new set, Cutest Crew. And then this one I like this one. This one I got from my upline as a thank you. But I love how she used that scallop for the top of the envelope, and then of course a little piece of Velcro. So those are a couple of things I got this week. I did get a couple more. But I left them at work today. Sorry, but I'll show them next week. So there's always next week. All right, so a couple of things. So this is really exciting. This is one of those things that's very exciting. Stampin' Up has announced that June 11th through the 13th, that was the big announcement today, is free shipping. And so I'm giving you a couple days notice. It starts on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So 3 days of free shipping on any order of $75 or more. And I just want to show you a couple reasons that you can get to $75 or more, and some bonuses that you'll get if you get to $75 or more. I don't want to forget anything, so I kind of set up a little screenshot here to help. But this month's tutorial is uses the All Aflutter set. Oh, I did want to show. Yeah, so the All Aflutter set, and I've got those out here. Let me show you the actual cards. These are the cards. So they're using this new paper that's in the catalog, and some ribbon, and the All Aflutter stamp set. These are cute. These are fun. But you can see that there's a little stamp that does the flying. I love this paper. I fell in love with this packet of paper, and started to play with it before I left. But I did think I guess I didn't. I thought No. Okay, so I decorated the inside of this one. I'll give you paper to decorate the inside of the other ones, but I obviously ran out of time. So we got a little monochromatic card going on there. So that's the tutorial for the month. You place an order with me this month in June and you will get that tutorial for free. If your order is over $50, you will get a packet of supplies to make those cards. And just so you're aware, I just received all of the paper for the Silly Old Bear tutorial from May. So those are going to go out this week. I'm going to pack those hopefully tomorrow or the next day. Right after I packed my In Color Club, which also came while I was gone. So anybody that's part of my In Color Club, your products are coming. I will get them in the mail probably tomorrow. I have to do a little stamping tonight for those packets, but I will get them out tomorrow or Thursday. This week's going to fly by because it's already Tuesday. But anyway, just so you're aware, those are coming to you. I'm kind of looking at my notes. If you ever have any questions, feel free to email me. Let me know, and I will certainly answer them. All right, so we did free shipping. We did the tutorial. Product of the month. Okay, so this month's product of the month. Oh, it's called Wild Bunch. It's this adorable stamp set with those little animals in there. And I actually got that too while I was gone. So I'm going to show you that. Couple of things about product of the month. If you purchase $75, you'll get free shipping and the chance to purchase product of the month, which is $5 for a stamp set. This one is adorable. The other thing that I do is I have gathered with 11 other demonstrators, and we each make a tutorial of the product of the month for June. So there'll be 12 tutorials that will go out. That usually goes out towards the end of the month because it takes us, we all have to order it, figure out what we're going to do, write the tutorial, and then send it off. And so this is, let me go back to my screen here. So I got it. And I have to tell you, one of the things that I have noticed now, these are pretty good size images. They always look smaller to me when I see them online. In real life, they look bigger. But this is really fun. I can't wait to do something with that Highland cow. I think it's adorable. And the koala bear and the snail and the penguin. I like them all. Anyway, so that's the product of the month. It's a good size stamp set for $5. That is a great deal. Can't go wrong. All right. The other thing is paper pumpkin. So this month's paper pumpkin, if you're going to sign up for it, it has to be signed up for by tomorrow. And it's Bikes and Blooms. It's really cute. It's 9 cards, silver foiling in them, and 3 of each. There's 3 designs, 3 of each, and they're very summery. Bikes and Blooms. So very summery cards, and they have these little silver, I don't know if you can see them on there, but they're little silver butterflies as an embellishment. So I'm looking forward to getting mine. I think it'll be fun. It looks really cute. We all kind of just get little snippets as demonstrators of what's coming. But I thought that this paper pumpkin was cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. New kits are available. So these are new kits that just became available June 1st. This one is Wishes of Gratitude. And these are kits, 9 cards, so there's 3 designs, 3 of each card. So check out the kits because there's lots of fun ones. And then there's this one also too. Shaded pellet. Sorry. My screen's getting kind of blocked out here. Shaded petals. Now I thought this one was really cute. And this particular kit comes with a couple of sponge daubers and 2 ink pads. And so you do a lot of shading. So that's it's a technique kit, which is kind of fun. But getting 2 ink spots is great. So anyway, shaded petals. The last chance list has been updated. So there's lots of items on the last chance list. A lot of them are discounted, sorry. But you might want to check that out. So last chance list is just stuff that's actually going to retire as soon as the stock is gone. So there's some things there. Create With Me Club. So my Create With Me Club for this month uses the Moonlit Floral Suite. And I actually love this suite. It's been a lot of fun. I have the cards here. I want to show you quickly. So the cards for the Moonlit Floral, they're so pretty. This paper, it's so pretty. And I've just made cards that have a lot of There's just a lot of elements to them. And of course, matching envelopes. So in the Create With Me Club, you get a half a pack of the designer series paper, a full spool of ribbon, and the embellishments in your kits. I send you card kits to make 2 of each of the cards that are in the club this month. And then like this one, I will send you the embossing that you need. And then you have the opportunity to purchase the bundle and the other supplies you need from me. And I do that at free shipping for you. So, and no tax. So anyway, these are the cards. I love this one. So pretty in that secret sea. And this one. So this month's club has 5 cards. So you make 2 of each. So 10 cards. This one is fun too. And the other thing I've done with my Create With Me club is I've changed it up a little bit. So club is a subscription for club is $45 per month. That includes shipping to you. If you just want to buy the 1 month's kit, it's $49 with shipping to you. And then I'm also now offering up the tutorial. So the tutorial includes PDFs of all products and then a video of me actually walking you through the steps and whatever techniques I'm showing, whatever I'm teaching you in a video. And the videos usually last about an hour, sometimes a little bit more. Never a little bit less. I seem to talk a lot. Sorry. Anyway, so that is my Create With Me club for this month, which I'm excited about. Back in stock items. Okay, so there's lots of things that came back in stock. That's the Create With Me club, back in stock. Lily of the Valley came back in stock today. So this will also be things that you just need to know. So Lily of the Valley came back in stock today. Dies and stamp set. Sweet Old Friends came back in stock today. And there was something else I thought, but maybe that was it. Maybe it was just those 2 things. I don't know. I think I ran out of. Oh, and that one, Sunset Coast. Yay, I found it. All right, so those 3 bundles are back in stock. I'll keep you updated and on what comes into stock and what leaves. But just so you're aware. All right, so that is quickly what is in store for Stampin' Up! This week. Like I said, I will be doing a live demonstration Thursday night on YouTube at 6:30. I hope you can join me. I'll be doing the tutorials for my card kit is what I'm thinking. I'm going to be using that All Aflutter stamp set on Thursday night. I will send out an email. If you're not on my email list, you might want to join it because I send out all kinds of information and keep you up to date about what's going on. Anyway, great. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope that you learned something today and I didn't talk too long. That was my goal. Don't talk too long. All right. Speak with you soon. Bye.